Welcome back to KTN Prime. Thanks for staying with us. Let's continue informing you. Now, the Kenya Union of Post-Primary Education Teachers, KUPPET, has issued a one-week ultimatum to the Social Health Authority to organize for talks over teachers' health cover. This follows outrage over claims of teachers being denied treatment, mounting hospital bills, and detained patients. The row is now threatening to paralyze the health deal between SHA and teachers, as Ann Musungu now reports.
The Kenya Union of Post-Primary Education Teachers, KUPPET, is calling for urgent talks with SHA officials over growing concerns about the scheme. Union leaders warn that if meaningful engagement fails to materialize within the deadline, teachers will mobilize nationwide protest.
We are therefore giving SHA a notice of 7 days to style up. Otherwise, we shall be calling our members to be on the streets because this thing cannot work.
The warning follows complaints from teachers who claim they are being denied treatment in hospitals. Others remain confined in medical facilities because of unpaid bills. According to the union officials, the unfolding crisis exposes deep systematic failures within the scheme.
So around the country, hospitals have refused to take teachers and their families as patients. Sababu hawana imani na SHA na SHA iwalipi.
One of the most troubling cases involves teacher Alex Ngare, who was injured in a tragic accident during the union elections on January 31st. Although the Social Health Authority reportedly settled 1 million shillings, a balance of 2.9 million remains, leaving him detained in hospital as colleagues organize harambees to raise the outstanding amount.
So I can't afford Aga Khan. Lakini vile Ugamba aliingia, tukasema vizuri shughulikia hawa wagonjwa. Wakisaidika tuko na wao, tutawatoa.
So inabidi hawa walimu naona wamechanga pesa pamoja na union ya 1.5 million. This is something we have never seen in the last 16 years.
The medical cover is now facing intense scrutiny from the teachers, who argue that glaring service delivery gaps have undermined confidence in the reform and that many of the hospitals initially promised under the scheme are either inaccessible or not honoring the cover.
They are breaking everything that we discussed. They told us we shall go in all hospitals, including Aga Khan. In fact, Aga Khan was an example. And they said there are 9,000 hospitals, including Nairobi Hospital. Now we are being chased away from Aga Khan.
Barely 4 months after teachers enthusiastically transitioned to the Social Health Authority,
we cannot continue with this medical cover the way it is.
Frustration is rapidly building. What began as a widely welcome reform promising reliable and accessible healthcare has quickly come under sharp criticism. Ann Musungu, KTN, Nairobi.